Ja.
Dis nie die honde.
Jy moet seker maak.
Dis nie die honde.
But they join my.
Dis Sasha wat probeer die deur oopmaak.
Ek dink so. Van iemand het die hek gesluit.
Okay, Betty. Thanksgiving is turkey time.
Ja.
Okay, so guys, sorry about that. Me and my brother is going to play 99 Forest, and I can actually show you how does the new bat works. Because a lot of people says, oh no, the bat is going to do a casting or not. Nope, it doesn't. Buy a box of seeds from the fair. Okay, that would be easy quest. Come on. Brother, come on, we need to play.
Hey guys. Yeah, me and my brother is playing 99 Forest.
Yeah. I know I'm stupid. Everybody say I'm
Yeah,
stupid.
we're gonna show you guys the new bat.
No.
People say, yeah, brand new bat, without the bat. It's not real and stuff. It's not playing even 99 Forest.
The bat is real.
So we're gonna show you guys.
And how it does work, but we need first a flashlight. For once, is the flashlight useful? Because we need. If you guys wonder why did I say that, because the flashlight in the bat cave, I'm just going to spoil this part. You can actually glow up crystals because of everything. By the way, Baby Ghost is on channel. If you guys wanna do this,
Oh,
Is a new bat game?
right?
Baby Ghost is on pad. Jou kortstoppad
So, yeah.
van dat is...
A direwolf drive. There we go.
Kom ons kom terug vanaf die eerste. Ek het 'n nuwe manier.
Wat gaan nou weer aan?
Nee, Boetie.
Want ek het gaan gekyk, na kyk.
Ek het 'n manier om te kry.
Mense, ek moet om te strak piek.
Die manier die worste strek.
Wow.
Ek kan 'n shiftlock gaan.
Maar hoe?
Maklik.
Maar eerst moet ek 'n map kry.
Nee, ek sien ons by die eerste ding.
Ja, ek sien jou.
Ja, maar hulle picking the items al vir 'n hele uur lank. Oukies, ons gaan nooit eet nie.
Hoe kan jy in shiftlock gaan, Boetie?
Ek jou aktief uitval en dan ek al shiftlock doen.
Maar waar?
Daar onder by die jong.
Ek sien dit nie. Draai meer in die klaarmaak, Boetie. En maak het vinnig. Au. Is dit klaar? Hulle allemaal gaan uit die spoed. En my huis is al klaar laag van hulle. Maak net die spoed vinnig. Yay! Ek gaan nou doodgaan van baie wolf.
Ja,
Vat hulle oor.
Okay, so guys, sorry about that. I am Afrikaans.
Me too, but we tried to get the first team. Speed on it. But yeah.
By the way, guys, there were 2 bandages in the casting fallout, but how did you have still it on? Get out, you traitor!
Coffee trader.
I
Ons
was
het redstone nodig.
I was almost to say the F word.
Ja, met redstone gaan kry.
So yes. So brother, make sure you get wood
Hier was redstone.
for the campfire. Okay?
Nou gaan we zo maar.
Well, waiting isn't waiting.
Yo, craft die items.
Okay, so we want to go see the bat.
Is jy terug? Jy lekker geëet.
Before you all see
Lekker
me.
man.
No.
Ek wag nog vir my. Goed om te kom dat ek moet kos maak. Ek
Not
kan
now,
maar wat
but we
is
need
die
a flashlight.
awkward potion? Maar wat moet ek ingooi? Ek kan nie onthou om die water potion
So
te doen.
yeah, flashlights is always needed.
Die resep gehad en dan is dit
Okay, brother, let's go to the bat cave.
Ja, als je bom is, is je bom.
Het jy vergeet ons speel 99 en ons record?
Maar Reinhard is by die klas, so ek is wel
Okay.
net saam die see.
We'll try us here, but first I need to get a bunny foot and a sack. Hey, first try. Bunny foot, bunny foot, bunny foot. Yeah. Good sack. A lot of you see I made mistakes and choose the good app. But that's just a mistake. Oh no. These guys are so annoying.
En julle YouTube video's van Papa.
No, Mom.
Shit, dis 'n pufferfish hoor.
Oh no. I'm going to die because of these guys. Whoop. Whoop. There we go.
Let's fall.
I think you guys are being hated.
Dink jy ek het pufferfish?
If you're a hater, get out of this video.
Water potion.
Because I am hated. Every time I made a short or something. By the way, check out Baby Ghosts. If you can't just find Baby Ghosts, what looks like a freaking baby monster. Make sure you can find my shorts in the shorts area. So,
Look voor Predator.
Predator the Master.
Nee, niet Predator.
No, that's just. So yeah. Every time I see something, I die. Oh yeah, how much costs this fairy stuff? 24 hours.
Maar wat as ek dink jy het gegaan jy kry net 'n bucket of pufferfish.
Nee, mama kan ook niet dan pappen.
Wow.
Okay.
Wat soort pappen?
Kry jy dit net sonder die bucket?
But here will come out, so I will do this.
Wow. Okay.
So yeah.
Yes, yeah, dankie.
So every time I play with my brother always freaking dies. Eat.
Hey, ek werk net iets vir klaar hoor.
So this time I'm going to carry him. Let the try not to die. I'm just waiting to 10 a.m. or 10 p.m.
Ek het 'n paar vlei gekry, ek het nou nie ek het dit gekombine, dit het in die solte.
So yeah, let's wait for this day to pass. I do that.
Get draai.
Want para.
Drop leer.
Nope.
Ek sê vlog.
Ek maak dit as ons drop.
Ek ken nie dit nie.
Haha.
Hoe kon jy dit vermoor?
Ek speel baie games met Shiflock.
So hoe het jy dit exactly gekry?
Ek speel modder.
Jy starf. Wat dan? Wat? Ek ken nie bandage nie.
Ek het hom tata.
Okay guys. This is the end of my video.
Ons gaan